Hello, welcome to Soft Peace Trading Academy. Welcome to another week. How was your weekend? And how is your trading going? So for last week we had our trading top-down analysis. I sent it to the YouTube link, YouTube channel as well. So for this week, we'll first go run down to what we had for last week, the trade we took for last week, which was on we did analysis on DXY, EU, and GU, and going with what we have. When you do your analysis very well on DXY, all you need to do is to wait for the DXY to give you an entry, and then from there you take your trade. So let's quickly rush down to DXY and let me show you what we had, where we took our trade on DXY for last week. I think it was on the daily. It was very clear on the daily. This 30. This 30, not this one. There is another DXY I have. Okay, this is it. So let me clear off this. It was when I was showing one of my students. I was teaching him. So let me clear off this. Take off this. Okay. Then let me maximize this for a better view. So now on DXY, Monday was very volatile. The week was very volatile. It was just funny. We had this. This was Monday. You see, Monday, we have Monday just dropped. And when Monday dropped, I was hoping for an entry here, but I didn't get it. Price didn't give me that on Monday, so I had to stay behind, stay on the sideline. And Tuesday came. Sorry, this Monday, this Tuesday. Then I think I had my trade on Friday. Yeah, Friday. So this is it. If you watch closely, we had this fair value gap that was violated on Wednesday. It was violated on Wednesday. I know, when fair value gap is violated, it turns support. You see, so that was where we had this. What price come for this? The last bullish candle before you drop. The other block. So you have change of market structure to the downside here, and then after that we had a retrace test around 1:30 to 2 o'clock. See this 1400, so this 2 o'clock, and then we had this drop, massive drop. Understand? Then we close for the week. So same thing happened on EU. Same thing happened on EU. You see where we had this. See, very smooth. See, and we I think we had around 70 pip. Yeah, this is 94 pips. So, but the draw on liquidity was just this high. So immediately they took out this high. I was very careful with my trade. Understand? Yes, in as much as you want to take swings, see, in as much as you want to take swings and take it straight for long, but you need to know that this is August, so anything can happen, and then you need to also be careful and flexible when taking your trade. So that's it for this week, for last week. So for this week, first we have to check our forest factory. On our forest factory, I want to see the days you have news and if NFP fall on, like if it is this Friday. So Monday is bank holiday. Tuesday we have kind of news on around 3 o'clock. See, I'm not really a news type. I just use it to check the days we have, and I'll get a good expansion. Wednesday is just silent, no much news. Thursday we have Euro news. Friday we have Thursday as well. We have this by 1:30. Okay, this might be the main driver of the market on next week, this week, sorry, that we are in. And then Friday as well, we'll have this, so you see, and this. So Thursday, Friday might be what we need to push price far, you understand, to push in liquidity to the market. So but from Monday you might decide to just keep Monday aside and use it to know the direction of the market. So after that you come back to your what is it called, your chart. So for this week, let me start with DXY. Two things I'm looking at on DXY. I think it's on the weekly. So now on DXY we have this drawn liquidity. Yes, this, if you remember, I told you this is the drawn liquidity. Two things I'm hoping for to happen in the market is either the market takes out this low. Let me take out all these drawings. So you see that the market takes out this low. Now it depends on how it takes it out. Had it been this market took out this low this week and closed with a week, could have the very sure of retracement. So but with what I'm seeing bearish candle, heavy bearish candle, like with a whole lot of momentum. So it's not bad if market still deep to take out this. Do you understand? So but if market decide to change pattern and then give, let's say, a 4-hour change of structure from here, you see, if we have a change of structure from here on the 4 hours, then we should be heading here. If not, we should, or another place we should be heading to take out this liquidity, and afterward trade into this place, and then we now continue the move up. Do you understand? That was why I want the week of Monday to give me, the day of Monday to give me a view. And then mind you, this rejection block can also serve as your entry. That's price takes it out, and then have a retest to it, and then you come here. This might be what we'll have for this week. You get. Then let me check what that shaded area has on the daily. Okay, nice. This is like the breaker block on the daily. You understand? So I have, let me check 4 hours there. H4. See. So I have this holding price. So you have something like this, and then boom. Yeah. Just simple. Why? Because looking at here, we've not really changed structure, so you shouldn't be looking for a retracement per se. You understand? This is like a BOS. This is a BOS to the downside, so we might be having that move down as well. Or even if we'll have a retracement, maybe a little bit retracement, maybe to this fair value gap, and then we'll drop. So but let Monday give me a view. So after that, you come to Euro USD. Euro USD, I'm having something like that as well on this weekly. This, so I'm looking at price pushing out 30 pips. I think it was 30 or 20 pips. Yeah, 30 pips up, trade into this place, and then something like this. Come back and we keep on flying, because other flow is still bullish, unless what I showed you on 4 hours is to happen. And then if what I show you on 4 hours is to happen, then we'll trade into this place, and then we can continue our move to the upside. Do you understand? So when you check that shaded area on the daily, still almost exactly what we have on DXY. See this area, but I even prefer this. You see, this is like they call it Mutbuzu candle, where the sellers and the buyers are having a tug of war, and then one person took over and we had a drop. Or you call it the three soldier candle, where we have a swing high was created. So I want price to wig off that place and then trade back into that place, and we have our move. Do you understand? But looking at here as well, yes, a very good POI for market to bounce back into it. But when you look closely as well, you also have a daily fair value gap that have not been tested. Do you understand? You have this very smooth. So now you just need to be flexible. Sorry, I'm making this video is long, but I just need to explain some things for you guys. You just need to be flexible. Most times Monday will just come with that the weekly profile of where we have price doing what is this called, manipulation, and then before we have a distribution. So we might have Monday protecting this high of Friday, and then you have something like this. So when you have something like this, look closely as well. I'm just also saying this. We have internal order flow entry drill, simple stuffs. So though I teach all this in my VIP, if you want to enroll my VIP, it's just $100. I'll give you my recorded videos and also take you on one-on-one section for a better understanding, which you have access with from we will have access to me for like 1 year for better understanding. You see, now we have institutional order flow entry on the daily. So we might have this, and then you can now, for those that trade liquidity concepts, you can now see this as the trend line liquidity, or what you will call it. Do you understand? So let's say price want to take out all this and then trade into this, and from here we have something like this. You understand? You can even trade into here, and if you catch this, you don't need much again for the week. So we're up to 80 pip, so 160 pip, you're gone, you're done, you're done, you're done, you rest. You understand? So but another scenario is where you have price violate here, trade into this place, and then have a retest here, and off it goes. You understand? So but let's look at what the market gives us is what we'll follow. You get? So after that, I've not looked at GU, JPB USD. Let me see what GU is doing. Let me take out all this. Okay, let me check on the weekly. You see on the on the weekly on GU, that area I showed you on EU has been taken out self. You see, you might have price come back to this place, and then from here we'll take our buys, head to this place, and we are done. So it's all depend on what. Let me check what the daily is showing. On the daily, we are having a whole lot of fair value gap that is not mitigated. But even if we're gonna have a deeper retracement, should be around this region. So any fair value gap around here should hold price, and we move on from there. So let me check on 1 hour. So if we're gonna have a deep retracement, you see this breaker block and this other block should be the point of interest where you still continue your buys from. I think this was Friday last week. Monday price action. So we might have price that if price want to seriously drop, price drop like this and then continue again to the upside. That's if price want to drop. So but it's still not that very clear for now. Until DSY give us a better view, then we know what to do. So that was all for this week. I'm wishing you all guys a profitable week. I love you all.